dance.
I-edit lang ni ha. Kinagagig mga vocal.
O tuyok, Mikay, tuyok ka na, ana.
Tuyo kasi Mikay.
Baliktad, ana.
Ah, sige.
Okay.
Gane.
And for Daddy, natin sa together with Ate Mika. Okay, followed by Lon.
Ay, pakilagan magbisita.
Taas pong linya ba?
Wow! Alright, so now, ay sayaw natin ang ating Birdie girl, ang Birdie boy, Birdie si Mika and DJ. Okay, sige na, don't be shy. Okay, tayo lang naman na rito. Okay, sige na. Ate, ayan, sayaw kami na. Okay, nag-dance kaya ni Ate at DJ, ha?
Ako na makasay. Mayanin ka sunod pag hindi mo.
Sa video eh.
Wow!
Smile, smile, smile.
Okay, kuya, come here. Okay. Wow!
Ano man? Inas nga, okay na.
Nasa ko yung DJ? Wala ba?
Uy, naabot naman ulit.
Games and friends and that to celebrate Mika and DJ birthday party. Okay, so I hope na sana mag-enjoy at mag-participate. Okay, yung ating mga bisita at ating mga players. Okay, get DJ, are you ready to play? Yes or no? Yes. Alright, so now, ready na ba kayo? Now, yes. Ay, nanay ni Abud. Time. Okay, so now for the first item, sino kayong magdadala nito? Okay, so remember kids, kailangan mabilis kayong magdala ng mga bagay na hihingin ko. Okay, so ito na. For my first item, birthday game kay DJ. Are you ready? Pwede na rin sumali kay DJ. Okay, na syempre, ito na. For my first item, ginagamit na syempre nila mommy, daddy, ate, kuya, tito, and tita. Pati yung mga kids gumagamit na din ito. I need 2 winners, and who can bring me a cell phone? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Okay, so everybody, okay, so listen to the DJ, and 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 36. 1, 2, 3, and go!
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 30. Hello?
Hello.
What is your name?
Wala ka na.
Here.
Ha?
Me.
Here.
Okay, so now are you ready to play?
Ako sir, ay,
Yes,
call.
okay, so remember to get 30 count. Sabi ko, kailangan mo magulat. Happy.
Wala.
Ay, ito ba, sinulupad. Okay, say happy birthday and make it longer. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Daog na.
Okay, 6 man. Okay, na syempre magsisimula na tayo for the next game. Okay, sige, go. Happy birthday!
2 hands, Mikay.
Happy birthday!
2 hands.
Birthday! Okay, yung nag-clap. Okay, yung nag-clap, mga out sa game. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! na si Kuya. Oo, kala ko ma-out ka agad. Ang galing. Okay, one more. And 1, 2, 3, and now, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy! Happy! Ayan, nagtaas na naman si Kuya. I'm sorry you're out. Okay, thank you. Alright. Ganyan. Sige. Okay, bali, mami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay, one more. Mas mabilis. Mas malakas. Sabihan. Happy birthday. Wow. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. One more. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God, may the Lord God. Okay, everybody, give some friends and shout happy birthday, Mika and DJ. And 1, 2, 3, go. Worldwide Bingo. Okay, and so again, everybody, let's shout happy birthday, Mika and DJ. And 1, 2, 3, and go.
Happy birthday, Mika and DJ!
Alright, so now, Mika and TJ, so close our eyes and make a wish. Okay, and 3, 2, 1, and blow! Everybody, let's give a round of applause. Palakpakan naman po natin ang iso dahil dyan, Kuya. English?
Please, Daddy. Magbihin ka na. Kami na sa imong mama o papa.
Ma-English daw, ma. Hindi na kasabot.
English sa kasabot lagi. English ka na. You cannot understand.
I wish you the listen to your parents so that you will be a good girl.
Aww. Aww.
Si Ate Mika, okay, para mabuksin niyo yung regalo niya. Okay, just give this. Wow! Are you happy, Ate Mika? So what can you say to your mommy and daddy? Thank you! Wow! Malagang gustong-gusto pa for kay DJ and Ate
Thank you,
Mika.
thank you. Thank you, say thank you. Thank you, uy. Say thank you.
Happy Mika and DJ, happy birthday. Be a good kuya and sila pa rin kasunod ni.
Ah, wala. Dele na.
Be a good boy and good girl. Thank you for inviting us and in behalf of Ambay Fan. Enjoy kayo si Agaw GM. Ganyan, salamat. Okay. Happy birthday!
Alright! Okay! Ayan, palakpakan naman natin. Okay. For our birthday girl and birthday boy.
Open, open. Yeah.
Guniti ko yan.
Good health and
Dream come true. May sana kung sa yung mga dreams, hopefully it will come true.
English na din nakasabot.
DJ, happy birthday. And healthy na always. Namig na kami to sa mga DJ. Share lang.
Wow! Alright, so picture naman
Happy
ni
birthday
Ate.
to Mikay from Sir. Okay. Ito na. Then, we have our gift for DJ and Mikay. We a beautiful princess and a gift of ito na yung mommy. Okay. Happy birthday and we wish you many more birthday celebrations to come, TJ and Mikay, and hopefully you will grow with humble and pride together with your family, your mommy. Thank you so much. from us, Tita and Tito, happy birthday.
Wow! Okay, how about Nina? Kanina meron po ba kayo? Oh, wala na. Iisa na lang yung dito.
magkakas na si Coach Ron.
Palakpakan naman po natin. Okay, so, meron pa po ba? Meron pa po tayong regalo na bibigyan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. Why, Manong? May the Lord God, may the Lord God, may the Lord God bless you. Thank you.
Hours I feel at ease, like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips, time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. No rush, no race, just the afternoon light, and the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free, in these sweet moments, just being me. Counting the fades, a peaceful home. The world slows down and I just become lost in the rhythm of a quiet day, where every small thing lights the way. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in, stars fall, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours I feel at ease, like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday, in the sweetest sips, time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling.
Ayaw siya gunitihan.
It's just the afternoon light, in the simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free, in these sweet moments, just being me.
Ayaw lang siya laman. Wala man kanya ito, kuya.
The quiet laugh, the softest breeze, the world's at peace in moments like these. I sip
Awaan.
my coffee, feel the warmth inside, letting the day just gently glide. The sun dips low, the shadows play, everything slows down, it's the perfect day.
Very good.
joy begins. I find the magic in me every day, in the sweetest sips as time slips away. Little things that bring a smile to me, like the sugar swirling in my coffee. Oh, so it's just the afternoon light, and a simple joy, everything feels right. I find the magic soft and free, in these sweet moments, just being me. In these sweet moments, life feels new, and all I need is right here too. No rush, no race, just the afternoon glow, and this gentle time I let everything flow. The world is turning, but I stay still, calling the magic, the quiet thrill. In these sweet moments, I find my place in the warmth of the sun.